This is Dave Stallman. Let's solve some problems using matrix maths. Step number one, let's represent this system of equations using matrices. So we're going to set up the coefficient matrix, which is 1, 2, 3, 5. Then we have the variable matrix, which is x and y. And then the constant matrix, which is 5 and 14. Now, our constant matrix is represented by A, the variable matrix by X, and the constant matrix by B. In order to solve this, we are going to want to determine if an inverse matrix is available, because we want to multiply that on both sides. So let's check. The first step is to do the determinant. So the determinant of matrix A is going to be AD, which are 1 and 5, minus BC, which are 2 and 3. So this is 5 minus 6 equals a negative 1. This is non-zero, so the inverse of A exists. So now let's calculate the inverse. You'll remember it's 1 divided by the determinant of A, and then we switch the A and D numbers and we change the sign of the B and C numbers. Let's multiply this out. We would get negative 5, positive 2, positive 3, negative 1, and that is our A inverse. Okay, the next step is to do the multiplication. So again, we want to do A inverse A, X equals A inverse B. So the A inverse matrix is negative 5, 2, 3, negative 1. Our original A matrix was 1, 2, 3, 5, and X and Y. And then we're going to have the A inverse matrix, which is negative 5, 2, 3, negative 1. And then our constant matrix, which is 5, 14. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this in my calculator, and I'm going to show you a couple things here. I'm going to slide down. Okay, I am going to, first of all, do second matrix, edit, 2 by 2, and our A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 5. Our B matrix is a 2 by 1, and it's 5, 14. Okay. Now let's check our work. Determinant of A, I'm going to go into the matrix menu, over to math, and I'm going to do the determinant of matrix A, and we get a negative 1, which is just like we found here. So we know that the inverse matrix exists. I'm going to go matrix A, and then if you look at this key right here underneath the matrix button, you'll see it's x to the negative 1. That means inverse. So we did calculate the inverse matrix correctly. So now all we have to do is the following. Let's do matrix A inverse times matrix A, and we get the identity matrix. So we have 1, 0, 0, 1 times xy, which we know will be x and y. And then on the other side of the equation, we are going to do this calculation, which is matrix A inverse times matrix B, and we get 3 and 1. So our solution is x equals 3, y equals 1, or you can write that as a coordinate 3, 1. And this would be the location where the two lines intersect.